what we're doing here today is bringing together key stakeholders across our industry, not only developers like ourselves, but also the academic, the supply chain, the infrastructure suppliers, government, all in a common forum.
Today's programme for us is about engaging with like-minded people. After all, we are looking to build an industry in Wales, and today we'll have the opportunity to meet people who have the similar aspirations and want to be a part of the supply chain for us.
We're recruiting heavily and we need new suppliers, so in that respect it's a very good opportunity.
It's a fantastic opportunity for us to update everybody on what's been happening in the motorway zone.
It's really good for us as Wales to let the world know what we're doing. It's also good for us to take those lessons learned from around the UK and make sure that we're learning and collaborating and moving things forward in Wales without duplicating.
The wonderful thing I think about coming here to Pembrokeshire today is not only the fact that it's beautiful and sunny, but is the important way that the work has developed down here, because you've certainly given the work a profile within this area and you've ensured that Wales is a location for marine energy.
I think it was really important to get such a positive keynote address from the Minister for Economy, Science and Transport. I think that instills quite a lot of confidence, I think, in the people who are wanting to come to Wales to know that there's real backing at a ministerial government level.
Well, obviously listening to the Minister, Edwina Hart, talk about the Welsh Government's commitments to tidal energy is important to us, and we can take that message back to Anglesey and tell us this industry is going places and it has Welsh Government support, so that's very good.
Moving on to installation, which happily, very happily, we managed to complete just before Christmas last year.
It's great to see, obviously, Martin and Tidal Energy Limited deploy Wales's first tidal turbine. I think we've got huge opportunities with the Monesto basing the UK headquarters in Anglesey, both of the demonstration zones, the 4 seabed leases that we have in Wales at the moment, and obviously huge opportunities that tidal lagoons and tidal range projects bring.
The nature of the technology and how the technology converts the kinetic energy in the water is really the reason why we are here in Wales.
We have tidal stream, we have wave, we also have tidal range.
Ramsey Sound is where we've installed our Delta Stream device. The project was 50% trying to build a technology and 50% trying to build a site.
We'll be towing the device, simulating deployments, simulating maintenance, doing that in a controlled environment here in Milford Haven port, close to where we're going to manufacture the device.
We're progressing on all fronts: consent, grid, supply chain, etc. So things are happening on Anglesey, plenty happening in Pembroke.
And there we come to the second reason why we are in Wales. It's because of the collaboration on the financial side with WEFO.
We believe it's the most structural funding for marine energy in all of the member states, possibly even the world. Over €100 million prioritised for marine energy. That's a big statement for the Welsh Government and Wales.
We definitely want to see Pembroke Port being at the centre of it and being a location that is a cluster of excellence of fabrication and design and engineering right on the doorstep of both the demonstration zone and all of the consented areas around the coast of Pembrokeshire.
Wales was a global leader. It's a great opportunity that Wales can once again become a global leader in production of energy, but this time through renewables and particularly through marine.
We are up for the challenge. We have been up for the challenge and we'll accept the challenge going forward. It's not going to be impossible, it is going to be possible. Thank you.
We need to brand ourselves as the industry that is current, the industry of the future, and the industry that gives the opportunity, I think, to do things in Wales.
We see this as a global opportunity. It's not about Swansea, it's not about Wales, it's not about the UK. It's the opportunity to deliver this new business globally.